Hi everyone, welcome to goclasses. So this is a mentorship session for our goclasses RGUKT students. We have with us Umesh Chandra, who secured All India rank 77 in GATE CS 2026, and Umesh is also from RGUKT. Umesh was goclasses GATE CS complete course student. So you can discuss with him, you can discuss with Umesh how to follow goclasses course or anything related to preparation. Okay. In this session, all the students who have joined us, you are from RGUKT. Okay, there are I think 4 or 5 campuses of RGUKT. So
Four,
you
sir.
are
Four
from those
campus.
campuses, 4 campuses, right?
Yes, sir.
So from those 4 campuses, you all students have joined us. So you can discuss your doubts with Umesh. You can ask your doubts in the chat. You can ask your doubts by speaking. Okay, so Umesh is comfortable with these 3 languages: Telugu, English, Hindi. You can speak. You can raise your hand in the chat in the Zoom. You can raise your hand, and then you can unmute yourself, and then you can speak and you can ask your doubts to Umesh. Okay, so Umesh completed his BTech this year, means in 2026. So basically, with final year with college, he managed his gate preparation, gate CS preparation, and he got all India rank 77. Okay, so this is really incredible that with BTech, with college, with your RGUKT curriculum, how you can manage your gate CS preparation, how you can get a top rank in the gate CS with final year, with third year. So all about it you can discuss with Umesh. Okay, so now Umesh, over to you. It's all
Yes,
yours.
sir. Yes, sir. Sure. Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. As you all know, my name is Umesh. I have recently graduated from RGUKT Srikakulam with the gate rank of 77 and a score of 900 and about to join IIT Madras this year. So you can post your doubts in the comment section or you can raise your doubts. Sorry, you can raise your hands so that I'll unmute you people. We can have a detailed discussion about all your doubts. This
So Umesh, Pratisa is asking in the chat, Pratisa Macha is asking that, sir, you said that compact courses are enough for GATE, but the compact courses are incomplete for TOC and digital logic. What should I do? I should go for the compact course or main course. I know this is already mentioned in the general session 2027, but compact courses are incomplete. Okay. So Pratisa, actually, we are completing the compact courses. Okay, don't worry. In the digital logic, only sequences circuit is remaining. I will start it in the next just few days. I think just 2-3 days I will start it. Okay, and we will complete it. Second thing, already Sachin sir has made an announcement today. Did you see the announcement that we are starting? Sachin sir is starting operating system compact course from tomorrow, from 1st June. Okay, so every alternative day there will be a live class, and we are basically covering operating system compact course. Sachin sir has already made announcement today. You can check it out. If you have joined Go Classes Telegram announcement group, the private Telegram announcement group, if you have joined, then in that already we have made an announcement. Okay, you can check it out. Okay, and you are talking about theory of computation. So let me tell you that in theory of computation, the compact course is complete. Let me tell you, okay, all the modules are complete except only the last module, that is countability. Before that, till decidability, everything is complete. Okay, finite automata, regular languages, context free languages, PDA, decidability, all these things are completed in the theory of computation compact course. Okay, so you can just check it out. Only countability is remaining, that is the last module, only that is remaining. Other than that, theory of computation compact course is complete with gate pyqs. Okay, so that countability module also I will cover, don't worry. But the remaining theory of computation, I can say 98% theory of computation is already complete in the compact course. Okay, for digital logic, sequential circuit is remaining. I will complete it in the next few days. Okay, in the next few weeks, I can say maybe 1 or 2 week I will complete it. And operating system compact course we are starting from tomorrow. Already made an announcement by Sachin sir in the private announcement Telegram group. Okay, I hope Pratisa this answers your doubt. Is it clear, Pratisa?
Yes, sir. And that too for countability and uncountability, like you can leave the topic and you can complete first up to decidability, and then until then, sir will provide the compact courses of that topic. So meanwhile, you
Yes.
complete up to that.
Yes, it is anyway. See, it is the last module. Okay, the countability and countability. It is the last module of theory of computation. So before that, you can complete the theory of computation compact course. Okay, and when I cover the this countability compact lectures when I cover, then you can watch only those lectures. Okay, before that, the entire theory of computation you can complete from the compact course. Okay, so
Yes, sir. That too. That topic is not that very frequent.
yes, it's not very frequent. Also, it is the last topic. Okay, and also it is not a big topic. Okay, in I think in one lecture in 2 hour or 3 hour it will complete. Okay, so the remaining theory of computation, I am saying that 98% or 99% theory of computation is complete in the compact course. Okay, so you can complete it. Okay, yes.
Yes, yes.
Any other student has any doubts, you can raise your hand, or you can ask your doubts in the chat. Pratisa, if there is any other doubt, you can ask. If any doubt is pending, you can ask. Or any other student want to ask, when want to discuss any doubt, you can write in the chat, or you can raise your hand.
Yes, any doubt regarding to your preparation or how your timings or anything? I mean, I'm here to like clear your doubt, or let's plan together for your preparation.
Yes, anyone? So in the chat also, in the
You can raise your hand if possible for you people.
yes, if you don't want to write, or if you are not, like if you have a doubt that you are not able to write, maybe, okay, if you want to speak, then that also you can do.
Sir, mine only, no.
Yes, yes. So you can let me know in the chat if you want to speak. We will unmute you, and then you can speak. You can ask your doubts. I think maybe
Mhm.
today very less students are here. I think only total 11 participants are there. In the last session, I think there were around
More
50
participants.
participants. Yes. Okay. So maybe is it because of the IPL match?
Yes, sir. That's what someone has asked me.
Maybe because of IPL final, I don't know. So a student is actually asking, sir, how to find minimum number of spanning trees. So see, these are technical questions. These are covered in our algorithm course. Okay. So in the algorithm course, you can just watch it. Algorithm course by Sachin Mittal sir. Okay. There we have discussed how to find, number of spanning trees. For example, if you have a complete graph, then how many spanning trees a complete graph has. So there is a formula also. If Umesh, do you remember n power n minus 2 something?
Yes, sir. For it is for a complete graph.
Yes, yes. So how many spanning trees are there in a complete graph? So there is a formula n power n minus 2.
N
Okay.
minus two.
And other than that, you don't need any formula or any method to find the number of spanning trees in a random graph or in an arbitrary graph. Okay. In the gate exam, if they give you some graph, if some graph is given, a very simple graph will be given to you. And for that, you can easily find the number of spanning trees by just your analytical skills, or just by applying the definition of spanning tree. What is the definition of spanning tree? A spanning tree is basically, it is a subgraph of the graph which is over all the vertices. Means you should not remove any vertex. Okay, and then you are making a acyclic connected subgraph.
Acyclic subgraph.
Yes, yes. So this is the definition of spanning tree. Okay. For any graph, whatever graph is given to you, what is the spanning tree? A spanning tree is basically connected acyclic subgraph over all the vertices. This is very important, that all the n vertices must be there in the spanning tree, and the spanning tree must be connected. Ultimately, it is a tree over all the vertices. Okay, very simple. So if there is a cycle, in that cycle you can remove, you can remove a edge. Then basically this type of method, or I can say, depending on the question, you can solve it. I am just saying that whatever question you give to me, whatever gate pyq or any other exam pyq, any question you give to me, that okay sir, this is the question and we need to find the number of spanning tree, then we can do it by just seeing that graph, and according to that graph we can just apply the concept and we can do it. No formula is needed, no procedure is needed, nothing. I have seen, there is a procedure. Okay, there is a procedure that any arbitrary graph is given to you, then how to find the number of spanning tree, I think there is a procedure. But to be honest, you don't need that procedure for the gate exam. Not even for the gate exam, actually for your BTech, for your gate exam, for even masters, you don't need that procedure. Okay, whatever question comes in the gate exam, you can just do it immediately by just applying the definition of spanning tree and by doing it. Okay, so it is
Coming,
covered
com-
in the algorithm course. Yes.
yes, sir. Coming to gate exam, it carries almost 2 marks every year. So it is a show short question, we can say.
Yes. So I think number of spanning tree normally they do not ask. Okay. But from minimum spanning tree there is a question. Okay. Spanning tree and minimum spanning tree, these two are of course slightly different concepts. Okay. Spanning tree is just a normal spanning tree you have. Okay. But minimum weighted spanning tree, then of course you have to apply the greedy algorithm, Kruskal or Prim's algorithm.
Prim's
Okay.
algorithm.
So yeah, so you have to be careful that is the question related to minimum spanning tree or is the question related to spanning tree. Spanning tree can be anything. Okay, it may not be minimum weighted spanning tree. It can be anything. Any spanning tree is spanning tree, but minimum weighted spanning tree means among all the spanning tree which has the minimum total weight. And for that we have greedy algorithm, Kruskal algorithm, Prim's algorithm. Okay.
Yes, sir. Kavya, it's in which semester you are, or like in which year you are?
So let me read the doubt of Kavya. So Jammu Kavya is asking this doubt that our academics are starting next month, but I just completed a few topics in GATE syllabus during these holidays. Can it be can I be able to complete the syllabus in this less time along with 8 hours of college? And how did you manage to complete the syllabus along with your academics? So Kavya is right now in second year completed. Okay, so she has entered the fifth semester. So Umesh, she
Yes, sir.
wants to know how you managed your gate preparation with college.
Yes, sir. Kavya, I think in 3.1 we have operating systems, computer networks. See, and now I think these two are the only gate subjects that we have in 3.1. So what you will do is you complete those subjects with in the semester time period. You don't follow classes. You follow these go classes lectures, or you prepare for gate in those in semester period. In this 1 month, you try to cover subjects that are left over. Like in 2.2 we have compiler design or other subjects, right? You please try to complete like till 2 subjects. You complete them in this remaining 1 month, and in the next as soon as the classes starts for you, you try to complete operating systems and computer networks along with classes. You better follow gate classes so that it will be both helpful for gate and as well as our semester. I followed only gate classes so that even I followed only gate lectures actually. I gave exams. I have scored both. I have scored good in both exams. So you better do that. And if time along with 8 hours of college, you like we have 2 subjects covered in classes itself, like operating systems and computer networks. We can cover in classes itself, and in the remaining time, you please try to revise, or like 2 subjects are enough, right? First, you complete them along with classes, and practice along with sorry, in the day itself you try to complete 2 classes of both subjects, and then in the evening time you try to complete your class practice, and then follow the same till you complete your lectures both subjects, and then you start practicing again. That's it. If you have any doubt, you please type in comment chat box. I'll let you know. Can it be able to complete the syllabus in this less time? Yes, you can. See, I think you are in third year, right? You give your best, give your maximum best that you can till the gate exam, and give gate exam. Le- I think you have other chance also, right? Please don't take pressure from now itself. You try to give your maximum from now on, and try to complete syllabus by early October or early November. then it's done for you. We will have 2 months of preparation time for revision and test series. So then there will be no issue. You can cover them in the 2 months of time revision. But meanwhile, you please focus on revision also along with completion of subjects. What I have done is in my third year itself, I have completed my syllabus. Basically, I started my preparation at the end of the second year. In third year, I completed all my syllabus and I gave my gate exam. So after that, I have revised only subjects. After my gate exam, I have revised only subjects and I have filled my gaps where I'm lacking, and then I gave my fourth year attempt. So there's no problem. Don't take pressure from now itself. You try to spend your time more in preparation, and then give your maximum efforts and give your third year exam. There's no problem, but make it as a serious attempt. I think got it. Thank you, brother. Yes, yes, no problem. If you have any other further queries, please do contact me on WhatsApp. I think Sir has mentioned on uh,
Yes.
or in group also. There's no problem, I'll reply.
So we have added Umesh already in the RGUKT 2027 group, right? Okay, so go classes RGUKT 2027 WhatsApp group. So there, Umesh, we have already added Umesh. Okay, you can discuss with him in that WhatsApp group also. Okay, so just whenever you are getting a doubt, okay, just feel free to send a message in that group, or you can ask Umesh if he allows, individual, I can say, conversation. So like in the personal chat, okay, if you don't want to ask in the group, then maybe you can discuss with Umesh about that. So overall, you can discuss with your doubts whenever you are getting, like, you don't even have to wait for the mentorship sessions. We will keep having the
Mhm.
mentorship sessions on a regular basis. Okay, weekly, at least one mentorship session with Umesh, we are thinking to, continue. Weekly, at least one mentorship session will be there. Okay, so you can join that, you can discuss your doubts. But in the chat also, in the group also, in the WhatsApp group also, you can discuss your doubts. Okay, so just make sure, to prepare for the gate 2027 in a very nice way. Okay, and stay motivated and get a top rank. Okay, like Umesh
That
has
is
got.
what all we want.
Yes. So next year, we have today we have Umesh with us. Next year, one of you will be there, okay, as a mentor. So this is what we want. Okay, that is the reason we are having these mentorship sessions with our RGUKT 2027 gate aspirants. Okay.
Yes,
So
yes.
Umesh, I think there is no other doubt today. Okay, very less number of participants today. Maybe I don't
Yes,
know.
sir.
Is it because of IPL final or not? Okay. So, but no problem. So we will have another mentorship session. Okay, basically we will make an announcement in the group, in the WhatsApp group. We will make an announcement in advance, like for today's session. 2 days back we made an announcement. Okay, you can see in the WhatsApp group, 2 days back we made an announcement that we will be having a mentorship session tonight at 9 p.m. Okay, so I think Umesh,
I think we have
today.
one more doubt, sir. Please, please.
Yes, yes, is there any more doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
8 months left for the exam. By which month I need to complete the whole syllabus? How many days is enough to complete a subject? It depends on subject to subject. For example, if you take subjects like TOC or digital for uncompiler, I think 20 to 25 days are enough to complete that entire syllabus of each that subjects. But if you take syllabus subjects like OS, computer networks, and COA, DBMS, these will take some time, but no problem. Please complete them. And 8 months is more than enough actually. From now on, if you try to spend at least 4 to 5 hours a day, then of course you will have a plenty of time with you. And you need to try to complete syllabus as soon as possible, but it is not that restricted to like you need to complete by syllabus by early October or not. You can complete syllabus one day before the exam, but try to complete it with proper revision. Okay, there's nothing like we need to complete syllabus early, but the advantage of completing syllabus early is you can give more time for revision and you can start test series. That's the only point. If you can able to start tests from now on, and if you can able to complete syllabus before the exam also, there is no one to ask you all. So there's nothing like that, you can complete. But try to complete it with proper revision actual of previous subjects. Like what I used to do after during my fourth year attempt, what I used to do is I used to in the morning time I used to complete my syllabus that is left over, and in the afternoon time I used to revise my previous subjects, so that so that I can give tests and all other things. So in that way, you please complete it earlier, but it is not that mandatory like you should complete it by early October or November. You can complete it in January also, but if you have proper revision, then it will be very meaningful preparation. Regarding how to access DPP, sir, like how to access this DPP?
So for DPP, we have this page. Let me show you. So let me show this. You can see on the Google, you can just search goclasses DPP. Then you can see this page will be there. Gatecs DPPs. That's it. Okay, so you can just visit this page, and there you can see subject wise DPPs are there. Okay, you can click on this button, subject wise DPP. So when you click this, then basically here we have a section. You can see in this section, you can see we have subject wise DPP for CS subjects, and these are the DS subjects. You can see basically this is the page. This page has everything. Okay, so in this section, subject wise DPP, you can see these are all the CSE subjects. You can see compiler design, discrete mathematics. These are all the DS subjects, machine learning. You can see statistics, okay, Python and all. So for example, if you want to attempt theory of computation DPP, let's assume. Okay, so then you can click on this theory of computation button, and then this page will open. You can see this gate overflow website. This page will open. Okay, I think this is loading right now. Okay, so once it will load, then you can find the theory of computation go classes DPPs. Okay, you can see these are the DPPs. You can see. Okay,
To
so
everyone out in the session, please try to solve these DPPs. These are new questions, not any like they are not PYQs or any other. These are the
yes,
entirely new questions. Please make
yes.
use of them. After completion of
So
subject, you try to solve the subject questions properly, so that it will be very helpful for you people. These are not like other variation of PYQs, or they are not like that. These are entirely new questions. Please make utilize them. Please make use of them. Sorry.
yes. So like it is loading. Okay, once it will load, then you can see this type of questions are there. So these are new questions taken from the standard resources. As Umesh has said that these are not your gate PYQs, these are not your exam PYQs, these are collected from standard resources. You can see answers are also provided. You can see. Okay. So the detailed answer is provided by Go classes, the question is provided by Go classes, and the question is collected from standard resources. Okay. And when you like a question, if you after solving the question, if you think okay, this was a nice question, this was a good question, then you can upvote also. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you can put in the comments. You can see, you can put a comment. If you have any doubt, you can just click on this button, comment, and you can put a comment. Okay, under the best answer, like this is the best answer, you can see it has 4 upvotes. So under this best answer also, if you want to comment, then you can put a comment. Okay, so your doubt you can put in the comments, or if you want to add a new answer, if you want to contribute from your side, then you can put a comment and you can add something new from your side. You can add a new answer from your side. Okay, you can click on this button or you can click on this button, so you can contribute from your side also. And if you have any doubt, you can ask your doubts also. Okay, so I hope you understood that this is the page. You can see, all you have to do, just search on Google go classes DPP, and this page is there. Just click on this page and go to the subject wise DPPs. Okay, so very simple. Okay, it's very simple, very easy to access. Okay.
Yes, regarding completion, what you people will do is try to first cover at least 50% of the syllabus of the top of that subject, and then start solving these DPPs. Else, what you will feel is you'll not able to you will not you will be not able to solve questions actually. So you people first complete 50% of the syllabus of that particular subject, then start revising, and while revising, you people please follow these DPPs. Okay, like if you people do like if you people complete a topic today, and if you
start searching for DPPs, then you will not find DPPs on sorry, questions on that particular topic exactly. Like these, you will find questions on overall topic actually. So you complete 50% of the syllabus of the subject, and then start revising and then solve these DPPs. After completion of this subject, again you start revising and give topic wise test of each subject, and then followed by full subject wise test. Okay, I think your doubt has cleared, Bhavya. Aptitude, see, coming to the gate, mm, there is no need of extra preparation of aptitude. What, take PYQ book of gate overflow and solve at least 5 to 6 questions per day. After 2 to 3 months, you'll automatically solve the questions. There is no need of separate aptitude. If you want to, again, like if you don't know any of the basics like basic math, basic equations and all, you please follow goclasses aptitude lectures. I think they are available on app. So you try to compensate half an hour a day in the initial period, and after that you only solve questions. There is no need of covering lectures actually.
Okay. So I think we have taken all the doubts that were there today, right, Umesh?
Yes sir, yes sir, I think.
Okay, okay. So no problem. Today there are less number of participants. Maybe in the next session there will be more. Okay, so I think see you all in the next session. Okay. So we will make an announcement in the group, in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So for the next mentorship session. Okay. Okay, Umesh.
Okay sir.
So
Okay
thank
sir,
you,
thank
Umesh.
you so much.
Thank you, Umesh, for
Thank you, sir.
joining. Okay. So maybe the next session will be longer. Okay.
Mm-hmm. No
Okay.
problem sir, no problem.
Okay. Thank you, Umesh. And thank you everyone
Thank you.
for joining.